This conference will now be recorded.
If you have changed your NCID username on ncid.nc.gov since creating a first-time account setup in NCMIPS, or since the last time you logged on to NCMIPS, you can sync your new NCID username using the NCMIPS NCID username update tool. This will allow you to log on to NCMIPS using your new NCID username. But before you do that, make sure that you can log on to ncid.nc.gov. If you can, then go to NCMIPS and click on the NCID username update hyperlink. That will bring you here, where you'll enter your CMS registration ID number and your NPI. If you've forgotten your CMS registration ID, you can always go to CMS's RNA system and navigate to the status page where you can find it there, or you can send us an email and we'll help find it as well. After entering your information, click Update NCID Username. Once you do that, you'll see the provider's name and the last NCID username that NCMIPS has in the system for that provider. You'll then enter the new NCID username in the field conveniently labeled New NCID Username. Then click Save. After saving the new username, NCMIPS will then display a pop-up message indicating that your update was successful. After clicking OK, NCMIPS will then route you back to the welcome page where you can log on using the same NCID username and password that you're using to log in to ncid.nc.gov. If you're having any issues with NCID, be it your username or password updates, if you can't log on to their system or their website, please contact the NCID Help Desk for assistance, as they are the only ones who can help you with any NCID-related matters. There are step-by-step directions for using the NCID username update tool, and they can be found in the attestation guides. But you can always send us an email if you have any questions or having any issues using the tool. Our email address is ncmedicaid.hit@dhhs.nc.gov.